A big hello to you, my dear students, and once again I welcome you to my English class. I am going to continue with the same topic, and children, in today's topic of notice writing, which we are going to do today, I will be telling you different type of notice. Children, already I have told you about the notice related with the school and colleges and different type of notice I have discussed in my previous video related with notice writing. But in today's video, I am going to tell you some different type of notice which is in your syllabus and which might come in the board examination. So I think I should tell you about all this type of notice. I should, otherwise this topic of notice writing will remain incomplete. Children, first of all, again I would like to revise with you few important things related with notices. You can see what is a notice. First of all, I've already told you what is a notice. So you can see here, a notice may contain news information. So children, first of all, what is a notice? It is a way of giving news or some important information to the students of school and colleges. Children, a notice can be announced in public also. So this notice which I am going to teach you today is notice related with the public announcement. Okay, and that's why I'm going to tell my second point is very important, because it is dealing with the topic of today, notice writing. It may be formal announcement of public importance. So this notice is a formal announcement of public importance. Alright, so children, today the notice is not related to the school notices or college notices. It is a notice related with public announcement, and generally children, this type of notice is announced through media, like TV is there, newspaper is there. The biggest source of information is the newspaper, right? Then children, a notice may be about events, so many different lost, found, happening, changes of name or timing. And children, I already discussed, I've already told you in my other two videos related with notice writing, with all these notices. Okay, like I've discussed with you the notice related with events, whatever event is happening in your school, whatever happening is going to happen in your school. Suppose a function is going to be held on the occasion of 26th January. Okay, then if a student has lost something, then how he has to write a notice? Suppose if you have lost your I-card or geometry box, then how you are going to write the notices for that? Or if the student has found something, you have found a watch in the assembly ground or in the playground of your school, how you have to write the notices? Okay, then if your school is taking you to the educational tour or excursion or a picnic, then how you have to write the notices? Okay, then of course if you have to change your date of birth or your name, generally name is not changed, but children, this problem of date of birth is with many students. They changes their date of birth, especially when they fill the form of class 10th, 9th. Okay, so lot of changes might be in the date of birth, though it is not easy to change it. Well, so this type of notices is there, which I have already taught you in my previous videos. So today the notices which I will be teaching to you is related with the public notices. It is a bit different type of notices. Okay, even the format of this type of notices will be changed, because in the format of the notice related with the school and colleges, you have to write the name of the, you have to draw a square box, you have to write the name of the institution, name of the place, then notice, and then heading or the title. So this type of public notices, it is not dealing with the school or colleges, so you don't have to write the name of the institution, students. Okay, so this, you have to keep this point in your mind. You don't have to write the name of the institution here, because this notice is not dealing with your school and colleges notice. I hope you're understanding what I want to focus on, because in the format I have taught you that the first thing you will write in the notice, that you have to write the name of the institution. Since you are writing these notices to the public, a public announcement, so no need for writing the name of the institution here. Simply children, you have to write that what this notice is about. Okay. So children, today the notice which I am going to teach you are the notices dealing with public announcement. There are many notices which is dealing with public announcement. Like children, just now recently you people have seen notice related with COVID-19 epidemic. Okay, COVID-19 pandemic, like you can see student that this type of notices are there when children government announcement is there related with lockdown, related to the timing, days when the market should be open, which market should be opening, what would be the timing, okay, name of the hospital, phone number of various hospital. So this type of notices might be there in the newspaper or in the TV news you can see. Okay, so this is notice dealing with the public announcement, giving a news or information to the public. Now children, in that notice which I am going to discuss with you is a very common notice, and this notice is related with sales. This notice is related with sale. Okay. Now children, often in your city there is a sale during the time of festival, when there is a Christmas is there, or Diwali is there, or Holi is there. You can see various type of sale is going on in your city. Okay. So and of course children, there is a winter sale with of some famous company also, like Adidas and Levi's and all this type of things. You can often see that you will be having a wonderful sale in your city and you would like to visit that type of sale. Okay, so this notices is related with the sale, how you write a sale notices. Okay, now I am going to read a question. You hear that question carefully, and children, as soon as you will read the question, you have to note it down what things are given in a question, because in the notice you have to give full information. Until and unless you will not read the question, you won't be able to accept the information which is given there. So whenever notice the question of notice writing is there, you have to see what information is there in the notice. So children, I am going to read a question and you listen the question in a very, you have to listen very carefully. In fact, you can jot it down somewhere at what things are given in the question. Now I am going to read. Navjeevan Silk Mill. Okay, Navjeevan Silk Mill Private Limited, Odisha. Navjeevan Silk Mill Private Limited, Odisha launches its discount sale. Launches its discount sale for its export qualities in Delhi. For its export qualities in Delhi. Write a suitable sale notices for publication in the newspaper. So children, so many things you are getting. First thing, this notice is about sales notice. Sales with nice discount. Okay, and children, what is the things which is this sale is about? It is the sale about silk. Since it is silk mill is there, so it can be silk sarees or it can be silk dress materials for making your clothes, isn't it? So we have to think that what is the name given. The name is given here is Navjeevan Silk Mill Private Limited. So children, silk is a bit expensive, so either it can be silk sarees or it can be dress material or it can be ready-made stitched kurtas or salwar for the girls or kurta for gents also, because many gents they like to have traditional dress during the time of festival. Okay, launches a discount sale, and it is a discount sale for an export quality. Now children, export quality is good quality which can be exported. So for export qualities in Delhi. So where the sale is going to be? It is going to be in Delhi. Now write a suitable sale notice. Now this is the question which you have to write. What is that question is about? You have to write a notice about what? You have to write a notice related with sale, and this notice has to be published in the newspaper. this notice has to be published in the newspaper. Okay. So now children, as per the format, I am going to tell you the format first. So children, first of all you have to draw a box as usual, because this is the basic format in notice writing. You cannot start your notice without drawing a box in your answer sheets, in your answer copy. And children, then you have to write the heading. Now you have to start your heading. You have to think which heading you are going to write it here, and which format you are going to start with. So here children, since it is not related with school and colleges, you are not going to write, children, about what? You are not going to write, students, about the name of the institution. Instead, what you will write? Navjeevan Silk Mill. Navjeevan Silk Mills, Odisha. Okay, so the name of the place where this silk mill is situated, it is situated in Odisha, and the name of the silk mill. Okay, then in the center you will write the same thing, notice, and of course the heading. What heading you are going to write it? Heavy discount sales. Heavy discount sales. Okay, heavy discount sales. Okay, so student, this type of notice, then you have to write, you have to do the starting by writing the name of the silk mill. Then the same thing, notice is common to, notice will be common to each and everything. And then you can see children, heavy discount sale, or you can also write silk, heavy discount sales on silk clothes, silk materials, because sari can also be there, dress materials can also be there. So another heading you can write is about heavy discount on silk material. But I think this is simple. If you will write simple heading, you might not be doing the mistake. And then you have to write the date, children. Actually you have to write the date here, but since no space is there, I am writing it here. So it is 18 July 2020. Small comma should be there with the date. Now children, you have to give the information. Okay, now what information you are going to give? You can start here. You will not start with that common thing which I have told you. All the students are hereby informed here, because this is not related with the school and this is not related with the student. So children, here you will write the simple message to the public. Export quality sari of Navjeevan Silk Mill is available at heavy discount in Delhi for the first time. Heavy export quality sari of Navjeevan Silk Mill, Odisha, available at heavy discount in Delhi for the first time. Okay, then children, notice, and then children, you have to write the date, which date, on whatever the date you choose, but you have to see the date of writing the notice. Okay, it should be date when you are sending the notice. It should be like, if you have written the notice on 18, you can write the date 20 or 25 or 26. Okay, like this, something. Then you have to write the timing also, that the time is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, then venue, the most important thing is the place where that sale is going to take place. Nowadays children, you can see the sale of such type of things is there in the hotel or in the mall. Not in the mall, generally it is there in the hotels. Okay, you have to write the full name of the hotel with suppose if it is Hotel Sandesh, so you have to write Hotel Sandesh, A/4 Akbar Road, New Delhi, something like that. The whole information should be there. Then children, items you have to write, the which items you have kept. Banarsi sarees, okay. Then children's South Indian silk sarees, then dress materials, okay. Gauri Gold embroidered silk sarees, Priya Banarsi printed silk sarees, and then children you have to write these sarees are worth rupees 8,000, which you are giving only for 4,000. That is the main important thing. How much discount here? Because it is written here heavy discount. So how heavy discount? If the saree is costing 8,000 to 10,000, you can write that discount can be given. That saree you can take it for 5,000 rupees. Okay, and a note should be there telling you, by telling to the public, these pieces have minor defects, not easily visible. Children, why this type of sales are there if a fresh piece are there? A minor defect is there in such type of dress material which is not easily visible. Okay, if a person is buying sarees for 10,000 rupees, that person will be seeing the saree very carefully that if some defect is there or not. Okay, color fading, coming of the thread from the silk sarees, all this thing a person sees, then it takes, because it costs a very heavy price to them. So why they are having a sale here? Because they are giving this saree in a discounted price, and so they have to write, you have to write children in such type of notices, these pieces have minor defects and but which is not easily visible. That means these defects you cannot see. Okay, so once again I write children, I read that if this type of notice is there, leave one line, draw a box, leave one line, then write children which meal is there, like Naujivan silk meal, Odisha. Okay, then in the second line you will write notices. In the third line you can write heavy discount sale, and then children you will of course you cannot forget the date. Date is a very important format in notice, and then you will start your content children. How you are going to start your content? That export quality sarees of Naujivan silk mill is available at heavy export quality sarees and dress material. You can start like this: export quality sarees and dress materials of Naujivan silk mill, Odisha, is available at heavy discount in Delhi for the first time. The date for this discount is, you can write any date, 21 July or 22 July, 2020, and the timing is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Venue is Hotel Sandals, A/4 Akbar Road, New Delhi. And children, what are the items? The items which we have are very famous Banarsi sarees, which is costing rupees 10 to 15,000 and will be given on the heavy discount of 5 to 6,000. Then Kanjivaram sarees, South Indian silk sarees, okay, Rajasthani saree, jewelry print sarees, and then children, plain clothes, heavy plain clothes of silk, which is there in the market for 600 rupees, but we will be giving of 400 to 300 rupees, because these pieces have minor defects and they are not easily available. With this children, you end your notice here. So you can see all the important information is covered in this type of notices. Okay, so children, this is the way to write a sales notice. Okay, now children, a very important thing you can see in the newspaper is a tender notice. If you will open the pages of the newspaper, you can see lot of tender notices are there. So once again I am going to read one of the question related with tender notice. Okay, like, you are the principal of Polytechnic College, Mau in Madhya Pradesh. Draft a notice inviting tenders for supply of engineering books, in the bracket Indian and foreign, for the session 2020 to 21. So once again I read, and children, you have to see what things are given, and this notice is about what. Again children, this notice is public also. See the importance of this notice, but this notice is given to the students. This notice is about students also. So here you can write the name of the institution. So what is the question? Once again I read, and you have to think, you have to see, children, what things are given here. So you are the principal, okay, of Women's College, Women's Polytechnic College, Mau, Bhopal. Draft a notice inviting tenders for supply of engineering books in the bracket Indian and foreign for the session 2021 and 2022-21. So children, first you have to write here. Here you can, children, write the name of the institution. It is Government Women's Polytechnic, Mau, India. Government Women's Polytechnic. Okay. You have to write the name of the place also. Mau, Bhopal. Okay. Then in the second line you have to write notice. In the third line, children, you can write notice. This will be your heading, notice inviting tender. Okay. Of course, we cannot forget the date. It is written here only. Now, children, see the language. Sealed tender notices. Format I have told you just now. And now, children, how you are going to start your notice. Sealed tenders on tenders forms available at 100 per form. This is very important. Sealed tenders, or in the bracket now you will write on tender forms available at 100 per form are invited in duplicate for the supply of engineering information technology book from publishers and dealer. Okay, from publisher and dealer. Or books on percentage discount on printed price. That means there will be discount with the print. If you will see the printed price and if you will see the discounted price, you can see a lot of difference. Approximate cost of books required is 10 lakhs. The tender along with a DD of rupees 5,000 as earnest money should reach the undersigned by 14 hours on or before 21 July 2020. Then children, you have to leave one line. Then in the what you will write here, you will not start with the name, you will write with the designation. Principal, Government Women's Polytechnic. Then you will write the name of the place. Children, it is Mau. Okay. So with this, I have told you that how to write notice related with tender. Okay. Then children, club notices are there. Okay. Club notices are there. Auction notices are there. So children, one club notice I want to discuss with you, that how a club, if a club is there in the city, how they write the notice. Okay. So you are secretary of Rubaiyat Club of Delhi. You are secretary of Rubaiyat Club of Delhi. Draft a notice to be sent to the member asking them to attend the extraordinary meeting of the governing bodies, in the bracket inserting the necessary details, sign as Prabhat or Parvi. If you are a girl, you have to do signature of a Parvi. If you are a boy, you have to do signature of Prabhat. So children, once again, this is a club notice related with club. Okay. So children, once again I read the question. You are the secretary of Rubaiyat Club of Delhi. Draft a notice to be sent to the members asking them to attend the extraordinary meeting of the governing bodies and insert the necessary details. I will be telling you which necessary details you have to write it. If you are a boy, sign as Prabhat. If you are a girl, sign as Parvi. Okay. So children, first thing you have to write, you have to draw a box and you have to write Rubaiyat Club. The name of the club you have to write, children, here. Rubaiyat, and this in the capital letter. Rubaiyat Club, New Delhi. Okay, Rubaiyat Club, New Delhi. So it is Rubaiyat Club, New Delhi. Okay, then notice, and then what you have to write, children, the heading. Here, children, if you cannot write heading in such type of notice. This is also very strange. Okay, you cannot write heading here, and then of course you have to write the date here. Date is already written. Now see the language. Members are requested to make it convenient. Members of who? What? Members of Rubaiyat Club. Members of Rubaiyat Club, okay, are requested to make it convenient to attend an extraordinary meeting of the governing body to discuss amendments in guest charges and monthly subscription. Okay, so members are requested to make it convenient to attend an extraordinary meeting. Now you have to write, children, this meeting is about what? Meeting of the governing bodies to discuss amendment in guest charges and monthly subscription. Children, if some guests are coming there, so some other charges would be there, charges, and the monthly charges has to be changed. Okay, then children, you have to write the date, on which date the meeting is going to start place, at what time the meeting is going to take place, and children, place also. The place is Rubaiyat Club, New Delhi. Then in the last you can end your notice. Governing body members are requested to stay for dinner, and if you are a boy, write Prabhat. If you are a girl, then you can write Bharvi, and at last you will write secretary. Okay, so children, this is the notice related with club. Okay, so I have discussed with you notice related with sale, notice related with club. Of course, tender notice is a very common type of notice. And now children, one notice I am going to discuss with obituary. Obituary, children, so many obituaries you see in the newspaper. So what is an obituary? In class 10th you must have studied when we were doing the lesson Frog and the Nightingale. I told you about obituary. So children, obituary is a message given in the newspaper for the person who is dead. This is obituary. Okay, once again I tell you what is an obituary. Obituary is a message given for the person who is dead in the newspaper. Okay, at what time he died, when the funeral procession will take place, all that thing should be declared clearly in the newspaper. So obituary is also a type of notice for the public. So children, in students, in obituaries, children, heading will be something very very odd, and this you have to remember it. Children, if you don't know how to write the heading, you can only write one word: unforgettables. That means the person who is dead, we cannot forget that person. Okay, unforgettable. But children, remember one thing: if the children obituary is about some ceremony, like there is so many ceremonies are there after death. Okay, like if we will take of Hindu religion, we celebrate Terahi is there after 12 or to 13 days. Then children, we have Chauth ceremony, Uthala ceremony, so many ceremonies are there. So you have to give proper information in the newspaper that on which day Terahi is there, on which day Chauth ceremony is there, on which date Uthala ceremony is there. This you have to give in a very proper manner. Okay, so in the heading, children, you can write either unforgettables, or children, if you are inviting the people for Chauth ceremony or Uthala ceremony, then you have to write that also. Okay, unforgettables, and then in the bracket you can write Chauth or Uthala ceremonies. Then children, that you can write it: with profound grief, we regret to inform the untimely and sad demise of our beloved. Who is the person who is dead? Okay, it is no. So first, let me read the question. So you are Bharat Jha. Your grandfather expired on 17 July 2020. Write a notice for publication in the newspaper giving information about Chauth and Uthala ceremony. So here I am discussing about Chauth and Uthala ceremonies. So you can write unforgettables in the first line, and then children you can write Chauth and Uthala ceremonies, right? Now then you will write with profound grief. With profound grief, we regret to inform the untimely sad demise of our grandfather. Okay, and then you have to write the name of the grandfather, any name, Sharad Kumar Jha. Then you have to write the children day and time, on which day and time he expired, on Friday, whatever the date should be there, like 17 is the date, you have to write it that. Okay, then you have to write Chauth and Uthala ceremony will be held on Saturday. Again you have to write the date, then you have to write the time, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. at his residence, and children you have to write the address of his residence, L19/14 DLF City Phase 2 Gurgaon. In grief. Now if you are writing Uthala ceremonies, then you have to write in grief. Okay, then children you have to write the name here, Prabha Jha, Srimati Leela Tuli, Shri Ras Talwar. That means whoever the family members are there, that means very close family members are there, you have to write their name, and then you can write at the last, because you cannot write the name of all the family members, and you can write at the last and all family members and well-wisher. That means this message is from all family members and well-wishers. So children, these types of notice are there in the public. It's generally these are there in the, we share this type of notice through the newspaper. It is not shared with television, obituary especially. Okay, so children, with this the whole chapter related with notice writing is completed today. Have a nice day ahead.